ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांतिः शांतिः शांतिः। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाक्य बृहदारण्यकोपनिषद पेज नंबर 813. The discussion is on sannyasa. Purvapakshi said, or Ekadeshi, Swayuthya it was said in Bhashya, Vyuthaya Bhikshacharyam Charanti, so Parivrajya Vidhanam is there. But in Parivrajya, one can have Yagnopavitadi and other sadhana. See, other sadhana, Yagnopavita and other sadhana. Other sadhana means Putra, Vitta, Putra if it is there, Dara, Patni. They are also all sadhana. Yagnopavita, just because of Yagnopavita, you cannot do karma. If person is grahastha, he will have Dara also. So everything can come. Vihitani, Lingancha, Shrutibhihi, Smritibhischa. So through Shruti Smriti, Sadhanani Vihitani, Lingamcha, Lingamcha Vihitam. एक वचन अतस्तद वर्जयित्वा अन्यस्माद् व्युत्थानम एषणात्वे अपि. So leaving aside those things, in other things एषणा व्युत्थानम can be there. इति चेत् न, सिद्धांति says. विज्ञान समान कर्तृकात् पारिव्राज्यात् एषणा व्युत्थान लक्षणात् पारिव्राज्यांतर उपपत्तेः. विज्ञान समान कर्तृकात् पारिव्राज्यात्, because the mantra said viditva vyuthaya atha bhikshacharyam charat. So the vijnana karta and parivrajya, and which is yashna vyuthana lakshana, all of them have saman karta. Vijnana saman kartrika is the parivrajaka. पारिव्राज्यात् समान कर्तृकात् पारिव्राज्यात् एषणा व्युत्थान लक्षणात्. So पारिव्राज्य is nothing but एषणा व्युत्थान लक्षणम. पारिव्राज्यांतर उपपत्तेः. So there Parivrajyantar means there the Parivrajya is Eshana Vyutthan Lakshanat Bhinnam. The Parivrajyam that we are talking about in this Shruti is different. The Parivrajyam which is said in those Shruti Smriti which Purvapakshi quoted, where it is said Yagnopavitadi sadhana can be there, that Parivrajya is Parivrajyantaram. It is Parivrajyantara Upapatti. I mean, that is a different kind of sannyasa there. Where Upasana can become Pradhana, they have Upasana Pradhana. दीक्षा। टीका। तदेव विवृणोति, he explains that further, यद ही तद ऐषणाभ्यो व्युत्थान लक्षणम पारिव्राज्यम तद आत्मज्ञानांगम, यद ही तद ऐषणाभ्यो व्युत्थान लक्षणम, from those ऐषणाभ्यः व्युत्थान, rising above those ऐषणास, that parivrajyam is atmajnana angam, that parivrajyam is atmajnana angam. Why atmajnana angam? Because those ऐषणा त्याग, ऐषणास वर प्रतिबंध in atmajnanam or atmanishtha. That ऐषणा त्याग will facilitate atmajnana. That's why between them there is angangi. If you say that ऐषणा can remain and I will pursue atmajnanam, that ऐषणा is pratibandhaka. Any ऐषणा is pratibandhaka for atmachintana. Even in Shravanam you can see some desire you entertain or some vikshepa you have, you sit down, Shravanam will not happen. Forget atmachinta, atmanishtha. ठीक है, तस्य आत्मज्ञानांगत्वे हेतुम आह, तस्य कस्य, given in 11 number टिप्पणी, उक्त पारिव्राज्य से, दिस पारिव्राज्यम which सिद्धांत is talking about is आत्मज्ञान अंग. आत्मज्ञान विरोधी ऐषणा परित्याग रूपत्वात्, सी is clearly given. ऐषणा is आत्मज्ञान विरोधी, its परित्याग रूप is पारिव्राज्य. I was thinking of something in Brahma Sutra, but I'll share it here. For Atma, what is Atyanta Virodhi? Anatma, right? Imagine somebody who carries Anatma as one's own self, not in this life, for crores of lives, carrying Anatma as myself, who is Atyanta Virodhi. And if that person says, this person is my Virodhi, this person I will not listen, that person I will not see, this person is Virodhi for some kala. Atyanta Virodhi you have embraced over koti janmas. So unless we realize what is my Moola Virodhi, Moola Pratibandhi, I will remain in this, that इसको नहीं सुनना, उसको नहीं देखेंगे, इसको साफ करो. Atyanta Virodha is here. See, Atma Jnana Virodhi is Eshana. Here it is given as Eshana, one level down. Because Adhyasa Karya will be Eshana. That Eshana Parityaga is Parivrajya. Eshanayaha tad virodhitvam eva kuta siddham. How do you say Eshana is Atma Jnana Virodhi? Avidya Vishayatvacha Eshanaya. Because Avidya is, Eshana is Avidya Vishaya. It is Avidya Karya. तर्हि यथोक्तानां श्रुति स्मृतीनां किम आलंबनम तदा. Then Purvapakshi says, then whatever Shruti Smriti that I quoted, what about that? Who will get that sannyasa? Kim alambana? Tadaha tad vyatirekena cha asti ashrama rupam parivrajyam brahma lokadi phala prapti sadhanam. यद विषयम यज्ञोपवीतादि साधन विधानम लिंग विधानम च. So tad vyatirekena means that parivrajya that we talked about. Other than that, निरुक्त आत्मज्ञानांग पारिव्राज्य व्यतिरिक्तम 6 number टिप्पणी. The atmajnanam anga will be the parivrajya that is expecting putreshna, vitteshna, lokeshna, tyaga, vyutthanam from that. This parivrajyam is atmajnana anga. The parivrajyam that you are talking about and you are asking what should I do with those shruti smriti where such things are quoted. He says asti ashrama rupam tad vyatirekena cha asti ashrama rupam parivrajyam. So now understand in this way. When we say there are 4 ashramas, brahmacharya, grahastha, vanaprastha, sannyasa. Mukhya sannyasa is not ashrama. Mukhya sannyasa is Brahma. If it is Vidvat sannyasa, it means Brahma only. If it means Vividisha sannyasa, it is for Brahma. But if someone considers the external linga, means changing the clothes and changing name, living in some place and doing upasana with having kamandalu, tridanda, all those external indicators, they are called linga. It is another ashrama only. Asti tad vyatirekena cha asti ashrama rupam parivrajyam. It is a separate. So then what happens is in brahmacharya ashrama you had some do's and don'ts. And in grahastha ashrama you had some do's and don'ts because Vedas will apply to all such people. In the same way, in vanaprastha and in sannyasa also you will have another set of rules. Because you are not beyond Vedas yet. You have not discovered the final teaching. So that is another ashram only. See. Astad vyatirekena cha asti ashrama rupam parivrajya. That parivrajya is ashrama rupa parivrajya. In Tika you see, ashramatvena rupyate iti ashrama rupam. It is considered as ashrama. It is defined as ashrama only. Ashramatvena rupyate. But vastutastu na ashramas tad abhasa iti yavat. And that is not atmajnana anga. Tasya atmajnanangatvam varayati. Because if you say it is parivrajya, parivrajya means where you are separated. That Brahmanishtha is avyakta linga. He does not have any external indicators. This ashrama where you have Tridandi, Kamandaluman, Ityadi, Yajnopavitadi, that is Brahma Lokadi Phala Prapti Sadhanam. That because it is Upasana, your Phalam will be only Brahma Loka Prapti. Brahma Lokadi Phala Prapti Sadhanam. Yad Vishayam Yajnopavitadi Sadhana Vidhanam. Linga Vidhanam Cha. For which Yajnopavitadi Sadhana Vidhanam is done and Linga Vidhanam, Linga means all those external indicators, they are also given for the same. Atha व्युत्थान वाक्योक्त मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वमेव लिंगादि विधानस्य किन्न स्यात्. पूर्व पक्ष says, why can't it be mukhya parivrajya? You are giving like some, okay, chalo, you also come. You will also be considered as sannyasi, but really you don't want me to be in the sannyasa. Sannyasa, you think only ashana traya tyaga. So why this vyutthana vakyokta मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वम लिंगादि विधानस्य किन्न स्यात्. Means this lingadi, yajñopavita, tridandu, commander, all those things which are required for by which you will do some other upasana, etc. Why can't that be the mukhya parivrajya? In mukhya parivrajya, why can't these things also come? In other words, common man will ask, why can't I study Brahmajnanam and entertain Ashana? This is not directly given. This is in black and white. If you want to put, this is the thinking. Why can't I pursue Atmajnanam and I can also have all Ashana, Putra Vitta Lokashana? Nacha Ashana Rupa Sadhana Upadanasya Ashrama Dharma Matrena Parivrajyantare Vishaye Sambhavati Sati Sarvopanishad Vihitasya Atmajnanasya Badhanam Yuktam. एषणा रूप साधन उपादानस्य आश्रम धर्म मात्रेण एषणा रूप साधन उपादानस्य आश्रम धर्म मात्र जस्ट बिकॉज इट इज आश्रम धर्म एषणा रूप साधन सो दिस यज्ञोपवीतादि एक्सेट्रा एंड यू आर डूइंग इट एज आश्रम धर्म पारिव्राज्यांतरे विषये संभवति इट विल बिकम a parivrajyantaram, means it will be a gauna sannyasa. Sambhavati sati sarvopanishad vihitasya atmajnanasya badhanam na yuktam. In all Upanishads, atmajnanam is given, and something which will oppose that Atmajnanam is this Eshana Rupa Sadhana Upadanena Parivrajya. Eshana he has given directly, otherwise you take all those Yajñopavita, Linga, etc. That Parivrajyam cannot do Badha of this Mukhya Parivrajyam, which is Anga of Atmajnanam, which is mentioned in all Upanishads. सर्वोपनिषद विहितस्य आत्मज्ञानस्य बाधनम बाधनम केन एषणारूप साधन उपादानेन पारिव्राज्यांतरेण न युक्तम. You cannot do badha of the mukhya parivrajyam, which is eshana tyaga. In Isha, how it is given? Ishavasyam idam sarvam yat kincha jagatyan jagat tena tyaktena bhunjita. Tyaga is given. न कर्मणा न प्रजया धनेन त्यागे नैके अमृतत्व. अथर्वण वेद त्याग. Here also it is given as Eshanatraya Tyaga. So in Gita, Prajahati Yada Kaman Sarvan Partha Manogata. Kaman Yada Prajahati. So giving up desire is the Mukhya Parivrajyam. That is called Atma Jnanam. You take something else, then you say Eshana Rupa Sadhana I can have. And because somewhere in some Shruti or some Smriti, they might have given it with some context. Sitika. So that badha cannot happen. Mukhya will remain uncontradicted or unobstructed. केषणा रूपाणि साधनानि यज्ञोपवीतादीनि तेषाम् उपादानम् अनुष्ठानं तस्य आश्रम धर्म मात्रेण उक्तस्य यथोक्ते संन्यासाभासे विषये सति प्रधान बाधेन मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वम् अयुक्तम् इत्यर्थः. येषणा रूपाणि साधनानि, येषणा रूप sadhanas are sadhana means the means are yajnopavita etc. Their upadanam anushtanam, so their grahanam and then doing some anusthana etc. with that. तस्य आश्रम धर्म मात्रेण उक्तस्य यथोक्ते संन्यास आभासे विषय सति. इस संन्यास आभास only. आश्रम धर्म मात्रेण उक्तस्य is given as आश्रम धर्म मात्र. तस्य यथोक्ते संन्यास आभासे विषय सति प्रधान बाधेन मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वम. It will do the bada of the pradhana teaching, which is of the Atma Jnanam, which is there in all Upanishads. Sarva Upanishad Tatparya Vishayattvena Pradhanam Atma Jnanam. Its badha you cannot expect from these other Shrutis, which has Yajñopavitadi as their sadhana. कथम पुनर् मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वे यज्ञोपवीतादेर इष्टे प्रधान बाधनम. हाउ मुख्य पारिव्राज्य विषयत्वे यज्ञोपवीतादेः इष्टे यज्ञोपवीतादि which is ishta for someone, how it will try to do pradhana badhanam in bhashya. यज्ञोपवीतादि अविद्या विषयेषणा रूप साधनोपादित्सायां च अवश्यम असाधन फल रूपस्य अशनायादि संसार धर्म वर्जितस्य अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति विज्ञानं बाध्यते. केन किं बाध्यते? तृतीया you have put एषणया अहम ब्रह्मास्मि इति विज्ञानं बाध्यते. By these eshanas, Brahma Vijnanam will get obstructed. Eshana associated with Yajñopavitadi avidya vishaya. Eshana will be always for anatma. For anatma, I am working hard day and night, whether externally or in my mind. See, that doesn't matter. On whether externally you are pursuing something physically or mentally, you are in anatma. So in Bhagavan's record, because he doesn't differentiate too much between Sthula and Sukshma. You see, this is same, not much different. Chintanam, what Chintanam is going on. So if avidya rupi eshana Chintanam is there, all of that eshana rupa sadhana upaditsayam, upaditsa. Online. What is upaditsa? Anybody? Upadatum ichha. People think only Brahma Sutra. You have to answer because there others are watching, noticing, rather than that nobody else is noticing. Why should I answer? And then don't fall in love with another anatma. I, ahankara. We have to do bada of that also. Eshana rupa sadhana upaditsayam cha avashyam badhyate. Avashyam and badhyate, that anvaya we have to do. Avashyam kim badhyate? Aham brahmasmi iti vijnanam. What is aham brahmasmi? Asadhana phala rupasya. There where there is no sadhana and phala. Sadhanancha phalancha iti
sadhana phale.
sadhana phale. न साधन फले इति असाधन फले. असाधन फल रूपस्य तद्रूपस्य अशनायादि संसार धर्म वर्जितस्य. That atma tattva which is ashanayadi varjita. It will come in Adhyasa Bhashya also. Aham brahmasmi iti vijnanam badhyate. Aham brahmasmi vijnana bada will take place. Nacha tad badanam yuktam. But that bada is not correct. It is wrong. Why? Sarvopanishadam tad artha paratvat. Because in all Upanishad, sansara dharma varjita, ashana pipasa, shoka moha jara mrityu varjita, aham brahmasmi jnanam is what is taught, is what is ishtam. टीका साध्य साधनयोर आसंगे तद विलक्षणस्य आत्मनो ज्ञानम बाध्यते चेत का नो हानि ही इति आशंक्य. See, somebody says, okay, by that sadhya sadhana yo ho asange tad vilakshणस्य आत्मनो ज्ञानम बाध्यते. That atma jnanam, if it gets badita, what is wrong? का हानि? का नह अस्माकं का हानि? See, that is not right. Why? Because it will go against all Upanishads. Bhikshacharyam tavad vihitam. Vihitanushthanancha yajñopavitadi vina na sambandha. Now, this is another Purva Paksha. He says, okay, you are saying Bhikshacharyam charanti. Charanti is what lakara?
Late
Lakara according to Siddhanti. Means it is not lat lakara. He says this is vidhanam. If there is vidhanam, vihita anushtanam you have to do. Anushtanam will require yajñopavitadi. Any anushtanam will require yajñopavita, shikha, everything. So this is the Puravaksha now. Bhikshacharyam tavad vihitam. It is a vidhanam, vihita vastu. Vihita anushtanam cha yajñopavitadi vina na sambhavati. Vihita anushtanam you cannot do without yajñopavita. Iti shrutyaiva atmajnanam yajñopavitadi virodhi baditam iti shankate. So Shruti alone is doing bada. We are not doing. That Shruti says for Bhikshacharyam charanti vidhanam, you need yajñopavita. So Shruti is doing bada of that atmajnanam which you are talking. Iti shankate. Bhikshacharyam charanti iti eshanam grahayanti shrutihi swayameva badate iti chet. So bhikshacharyam charanti. This shruti eshanam grahayanti shrutihi swayameva badate. Bhikshacharyam charanti, it has vidhanam. Vidhanam means you have to have yajñopavitadi sadhanam. That yajñopavitadi sadhanam indicates eshana according to you. So therefore, this shruti which says Bhikshacharyam Charanti requires Eshana in the form of Yajñopavita. So Shruti is doing Badha of itself. Shruti hi swayam eva badhate iti chet. Shankam eva vishadayati. That Shanka is explained a little further. Athapi Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam Vidhaya Punar Eshanaikadesham Bhikshacharyam Grahayanti. Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam Vidhaya. From Eshanas having risen. So this after iti chet is still Purva Paksha only. He is explaining. Many times it happens. Purva Paksha will say something and he himself will then elaborate his Paksha. Athapi Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam Vidhaya. Having prescribed Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam, Punaha Eshana Ekadesham Bhikshacharyam Grahayanti. So some part of Eshana you can have. That part of Eshanas which is conducive for Upasana, for Anushtanam. Purva Pakshi is suggesting. Yes, Eshana Tyaga was also said earlier in the mantra. Now, some things you have to keep. Why? Because you have to fulfill some other Eshana related things, like Anushtanam. So that's why in Kailash Ashram, for most part, person who is a adhikari for Shravanam, then they say you don't have to do any Anushtan. You just do Shravanam, Mananam, maybe. But a person who is not adhikari, then they have to do other things. Many people go to Badrinath and all for Anushtanam, Kedarnath also. Until you become adhikari, after that if you go, it is not out of need. It is out of Nandati, Nandati, Nandati. That is different. So, Eshanabhyo Vyutthanam Vidhaya Punar Eshanekadesham Bhikshacharyam Grahayanti Shruti Tat Sambandham Anyadapi Tat Sambandham Anyadapi Grahayati iti chet. So, Tat Sambandham, anything associated with that, that also Shruti takes it up. So, Sambandham means Bhikshacharana Akshiptam Yajñopavitadi. You take these things up again. Iti chet. Purva Pakshi gives drishtanta in that. Yatha Utasheshasya Bhakshanam Vihitam api na Dravyakshepakam Parishishta Dravyopadanena Pravrittes Tatha सर्वस्वत्यागे विहिते परिशिष्ट भिक्षोपादानेन विहितमपि भिक्षाचरणम उपवीतादि अनाक्षेपकम इति उत्तरम आह. भूतशेषस्य भक्षणम. What is not offered there in the fire, which was supposed to be offered, it remained. So that bhakshanam is vihita. Na dravyakshepakam parishishta dravya upadanena. What is remaining parishishtam? So avanash parishishta dravya upadanena 8 number tippani. So that is परिशिष्ट द्रव्य उपादान प्रवृत्ते है तथा सर्वस्य त्यागे विहिते परिशिष्ट भिक्षा उपादानेन विहितम अपि भिक्षाचरणम उपवीतादीना उपवीतादि अनाक्षेपकम. Siddhanti says it cannot do akshepa of upavitadi. Parishishta bhiksha upadanena. Once you do sarvasya tyaga, then for bhikshacharyam means for sannyasa, some aspects of that in 9 number tippani, Jivana Anyatha Anupapatya Parishishta. Because then otherwise you cannot live your life. So some things you have to do. This in Upadesha Sahasri Tattvamasi Prakranam. This was raised as a Purvapaksha. Those who are studying that 18th chapter, in the beginning itself, around shloka number 17, 18, 19, that you have to give some work to this brahmachari or sannyasi, because otherwise what will he do whole day? To give him some parisanghi, prasankhyan, prasankhyanavad. So like that he says, parishishta bhiksha upadanena vihitam api. But that cannot be akshepa. Here in Hindi Tika, they have given one sentence. जैसे हवन के उत्तर काल में हुत शेष का भक्षण द्रव्य का आक्षेपक नहीं है. After the havan is over, whatever is remaining as huta shesha, means what is not yet offered, that bhakshanam is not akshepaka of dravya. Why? Because this bhakshana is of the parishishta vastu is like pratipatti karma. Pratipatti, tu takara. Pratipatti karma. Anybody remembers what is pratipatti karma and its drishtanta? Nobody. In Naishkarma Siddhi, first chapter, we saw pratipatti karma. If there is a yaga going on, what's Hindi? If there is a yaga going on, and in that yaga, you want to scratch your back. So a black deer's horn is kept. Now you used it for this kind of purpose. Now yajna is over. You cannot just throw that thing anywhere. You have to do a vidhivat rejection of that by digging in a hole in the ground and putting it. This is called pratipatti karma. So whatever is left out as part of the yaga, whatever dravya was there, now you didn't use everything, so there is a method to let go of all that remaining things. That is called pratipatti karma. Is given upayuktaka vihita deshame prakshepa. Whatever is remaining of that, prakshepa means putting it down in the right place, vihita desha. So it is not akshepaka of dravya. Now at least I am assuming you all remember. So some of these things, if we don't go over 2, 3, 4 times, now in Bhashya that term is given. Bhiksha, see first line. Bhikshacharyasya aprayojakatvat dhutvottara kala bhakshanavat. Bhikshacharyasya prayojakatvat dhutvottara kala bhakshanavat. What is that shabda? It should not take this much time. Bhutva. Dakara, Dakara Sanyoga is there. It is only Hutva. Hutva, after the offering, whatever is made, Uttarakala Bhakshana. So it is not Prayojaka. Shesha Pratipatti Karmatvat Aprayojakam Hitat Asanskarakatvacha. It is a Shesha Pratipatti Karma. What is remaining, you have to do arrangement for letting go of it. So such thing is not samskaraka. It is asamskarakatva. It has. Tad asamskarakatvacha. Let's complete the bhashya, only 1-2 sentences. Bhakshanam purusha samskarakam api syat, natu bhikshacharyam. That bhakshanam still can be purusha samskarakam, but bhikshacharyam means that sannyasa thereafter, after jnanam, is not part of any karma upasana. It will give phalam. It will increase vairagya. If you are living as a sannyasi in a community with sannyasi, etc. If you live in a community, everybody around you is grahastha, and they think, oh, you should become one of us, then they will bring you down. You should have we should have ideal higher than where we are. That this is not where I want to settle. I want greater vairagya. नियमादृष्टस्यापि ब्रह्मविदो अनिष्टत्वात्. For Brahmagyani, niyama adrishta means some adrishta punya for a Brahmagyani is anishtha, required. There is no relevance. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Vadarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururatmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine Vyomavad Vyapta Dehaya Dakshinamurtaye Namaha. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti.